వన్ అజుబాస్ ఆర్ట్కి సబ్స్క్రైబ్ చేయండి. మర్చిపోకుండా అలానే లైక్, షేర్, కామెంట్ అన్ని చేయండి. థ్యాంక్ యూ. My English word class 1. Let's learn in this video Unit 3 Ammu School.
Now Ammu and Bittu have reached school. We see in the picture that Ammu is studying in government primary school. We see Ammu and Bittu and other students going to school. Children at school. Ammu and Bittu are at the school gate. Then Ishwar comes as the school bell rings.
Hi Ammu, hurry up, the bell is ringing. Hello Ishwar, I am coming. Who is this boy, Ammu?
What is Bittu thinking?
Bittu is thinking about the boy.
Who is Ishwar?
Ishwar is Ammu's friend.
What is Ishwar saying to Ammu?
Ishwar is saying to Ammu to hurry up, the bell is ringing.
Ammu puts Bittu in her bag. She goes for prayer. Bittu is alone in the class.
Bittu, sit in the bag. I am going to the playground.
Where is Bittu?
Bittu is in the classroom.
What would he do now? Bittu comes out from the bag. He looks at the things around.
Oh, this is Ammu classroom.
What did Bittu see in the classroom?
Bittu saw the blackboard, chairs, bags and books and water bottles and more. And also tell me what things you have in your classroom.
The prayer is over. So, as children rushed into the classroom, they saw Bittu.
Look, a squirrel in the class. Let's catch it. This is Ammu's squirrel.
We see Ammu's friends here. Ganga, Hari, Fatima, Ishwar and Hema in the picture. They are talking with each other. What are the children doing?
The children are looking at Bittu.
What are they saying?
They are saying this is Ammu's squirrel, let's catch it.
What would Bittu do now?
He escapes.
As Ishwar and Fatima are trying to catch the squirrel jumps on colors.
Ishwar, catch the squirrel. Okay, I will try.
Where is Bittu now?
Bittu is on the colors.
Will Ishwar catch Bittu? Let's see in the next page. Ishwar tries to catch Bittu, but Bittu jumps here and there in the class. Children are screaming and running here and there. Let's see who are the children in the picture.
The children in the picture are Fatima, Ishwar, Ganga, Kamala and Ammu.
What is Bittu doing?
Bittu is jumping on the students and trying to escape.
As he is trying to escape, what are the children doing?
The children are screaming and running here and there.
And we see Ammu standing there. What is Ammu doing?
Ammu is watching from behind the door.
We see here the children are singing about what Bittu has done to them. Where is Bittu in the first picture?
Bittu is on Hari's head.
What is Hari saying?
Hari is saying my head is brown in color.
Where is Bittu in the second picture?
Bittu is on Ganga's knee.
What is Ganga saying?
Ganga is saying that honey is blue in color.
Let's see where Bittu is. Ammu comes to the class. She is looking for Bittu.
Hey Bittu, what are you doing?
We see Bittu is on Ganga's knee. Then he jumps on Hari's head, next on Indu's nose, then on Jansi's shoulder, and then on Katie's back, and finally on Lalita's foot. Ammu asked Bittu to come back.
Bittu, don't get scared. They are all my friends.
And he jumps here and there, spreading colors on everybody. Ammu catches him. Can you tell me why is Bittu jumping here and there?
Because Bittu got scared.
What is Ammu saying to Bittu?
Amma is saying to Bittu, not be afraid, they are all my friends.
What would Bittu do now? Bittu comes running to Ammu. She pets him and he is happy now. Bittu is scared and he jumps here and there, spreading colors on everybody. Ammu catches him. Then suddenly, Ammu sees the teacher coming to the class.
Where should I keep Bittu now?
What is Ammu thinking now?
She is thinking of how to hide Bittu from the teacher.
Where would she keep Bittu? Will the teacher see Bittu? Let's find it out in the next unit. Till then,
అజుబాస్ ఆర్ట్కి సబ్స్క్రైబ్ చేయండి, మర్చిపోకుండా అలానే లైక్ షేర్ కామెంట్ అన్ని చేయండి. థ్యాంక్ యూ.